Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking essentials. Charge both devices above 50%, connect the iPhone to Wi-Fi, and sign into iCloud. Once done, make sure health and fitness permissions are enabled. This lets activity and workout share data. You should update iPhone and watchOS now. Updates fix tracking bugs and add features. Finally, open the Watch app on your iPhone to begin the fitness setup. This moves you from prep into the actionable pairing and profile steps. You now configure your fitness profile inside the Watch app and Health app. First, set accurate height, weight, age, and sex because calorie and pace calculations depend on them. Next, enable wrist detection, heart rate monitoring, and fitness tracking toggles. These sensors feed metrics like active calories and VO2 max. Once you've adjusted workout settings, auto pause, rolling mile alerts, and preferred workout types, you'll get more precise stats and you're ready to start workouts. Open the workout app, pick a type, and tap Start, or say, "Hey Siri, start a 30-minute outdoor run." Make sure music and offline playlists are synced for motivation. After workouts, review trends and activity rings in the fitness app to track progress. If data seems off, recalibrate your watch by walking or running 20 minutes outdoors with iPhone GPS, and make sure the band fits snugly. This fixes most heart rate and distance errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.